Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Limestone forms when calcium-rich waters leave behind minerals and shells from ancient sea life. For over 500 million years, these natural processes have built the deposits we see today, offering clues about our planet's past and providing modern industries with an essential resource. Today we're in Davenport, Iowa, home of the Linwood Mining Minerals. For over a century, Linwood has been one of the largest underground mining operations in the United States. Room and pillar mining ensures structural integrity at depths from 60 to 250 feet, extending nearly 2 miles from the portal. Located in the heart of the United States, Linwood is ideally positioned to ship products by truck, rail, or barge to multiple states and Canada. Linwood sits on significant deposits of high-calcium limestone shaped by the Mississippi River Basin. This concentration of calcium carbonate is higher than in many other U.S. quarries, making the stone especially valuable for industrial uses like sugar refining, chemicals, and environmental applications. Linwood supplies over 100,000 tons of high-calcium limestone annually to the largest sugar beet plant in the United States. There, the rock is burned into lime and added to raw beet juice to sterilize it and remove impurities, leaving only sugar and water. From everyday products to major infrastructure projects, Linwood's limestone touches nearly every corner of modern life. Linwood's parent company, McCarthy-Bush Corporation, is a fifth-generation family-owned business dating back to 1897, emphasizing safety, excellence, and community impact. Visit them at linwoodmining.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.